Imagine this. You're at home, and suddenly you're confronted by an intruder. What would you do? In India, the law provides an answer. Welcome to today's journey through the complex and intriguing world of the Indian Penal Code, specifically sections 96 to 106, which deal with the right to private defense. This right, as defined in Indian law, is a provision that empowers individuals to protect themselves, their property, and others against imminent unlawful aggression. It is a legal principle that's as fascinating as it is essential. Moving on, we delve into the crux of the matter, the Indian Penal Code, or IPC. Section 96 of the IPC forms the bedrock, stating that nothing is an offense which is done in the exercise of the right to private defense. It's a general principle that sets the stage for what follows. Then we venture into the labyrinth of sections 97 to 106. These sections outline the conditions and limitations for invoking this right. It's not a free-for-all. You can't just claim self-defense for any and every act. There are specifics, like reasonable apprehension of danger, proportionality of response, and the immediacy of the threat. These conditions ensure that the law is not misused. Now, you might be wondering, how does the Indian Constitution fit into all this? The connection is quite profound. Article 21 of the Constitution guarantees every individual the fundamental right to life and personal liberty. This right, in many instances, aligns with the right to private defense, creating a synergy between the IPC and the Constitution. To make the concept more relatable, we'll dive into real-life case studies and examples where this right played a crucial role. After all, the law isn't just about words on paper. It's about how it impacts our lives, our society. In conclusion, the right to private defense, as encapsulated in sections 96 to 106 of the IPC, is not just important, it's indispensable. It's a legal tool that empowers you, safeguards your rights, and ensures that justice is served, all while respecting the sanctity of the Constitution. And remember, just as the famous saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. So while the right to private defense is a powerful legal tool, it's also a responsibility. One must always strive to stay within the boundaries of the law. Thank you for joining this enlightening journey through the Indian Penal Code and the Constitution. If this piqued your interest, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening legal insights. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Until next time, stay legally savvy.